I married for money. I'm kidding. But let's just say my marriage didn't start in the most romantic way by society standards. That being said, we also didn't start out in debt like society pushes us to do. We knew that we could sell our house after 2 years and make up to $500,000 profit tax-free as a married couple. So when we were almost ready to sell our house, we knew our profit would be more than the $250,000 allowed as a single person. So naturally, we went to the courthouse and got married before we sold the house. Romantic, right? I did call the wedding planner the same day to make sure we had an actual wedding, and we ended up having a very small ceremony with 40 people. And the best part is, we weren't stressed about all the debt we racked up for the wedding. Think about it. Most couples start their marriage in debt. Many times, pretty significant debt. You bring all your debt into the relationship, whether it's student loans or credit cards. Then society tells you you have to get an engagement ring, have a wedding, go on a honeymoon, buy a house. All things that put you further in debt. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you shouldn't want any of those things. Absolutely, I want all of those things too. But most people start their marriage in debt when one of the biggest causes of divorce is financial problems. So don't give in to what society tells you to do. Know your capability, get financially educated, and set you and your family up for success.